Hi everyone, it is Jade from Earth Angel Frequencies, and I'm super excited to do this video because I just received my sound bowls and I'm going to unpack them for you and show you what it looks like for you to get sound bowls. And these are really special to me because I don't know if you know this, but I am launching earthangelfrequencies.com, which is a website that will have sound healing trainings with me, beginner, advanced, all of it, and also have sound bowls for you to buy so you can really embrace your journey as a sound healer. Anyways, let us dive into it. I'm super excited because these are really, really special to me, and this is the Earth Angel set. Okay, so this is how it came in this box. To be honest, I already opened it a little bit and I forgot to press play. So here we are again. It is in this nice box, super protected, also has fragile stickers in it. And I have 2 boxes with sound bowls in them because I ordered a lot. I ordered a set of 7. So there's going to be probably 4 in this one and 3 in the other one, and we will dive in. Okay, don't judge me for how I open this, okay? The big reveal. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. So this is the case that it comes with, obviously Earth Angel Frequencies. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Wow. Wow, this is such a big moment for me. Wow, it's such a big moment for me because Earth Angel Frequencies is the manifestation of my passion for sound healing. Sound healing has genuinely changed my life, and seeing this from the ethers into the physical and being here in front of me, I am so grateful to be able to offer this for others because sound healing genuinely has changed my life. Whew, I'm probably gonna cry. Yeah, I'm so honored and so grateful. Earth Angel Frequencies. Oh, I love you. I love sound healing. This is the case that all the bowls come with, and it has 2 buckets on the outside for the mallets, and it's super protective, so much cushioning to protect our babies, our bowls. And then it opens up and we have these beauties inside. Wow. Let us open this up and see. We have all of our crystal bowls inside, and they are so supported and protected by this casing. I've tried many cases, and this is the most supportive and the most protective for traveling. And I travel with these babies all the time. So we have inside our rings, which the crystal bowls go on top of when you are playing them to hold them. And I will show you that later. And then we have our beautiful bowls. Wow, this is a 9-inch G note. So stunning. And it has the engraving inside by Earth Angel Frequencies that has the note in it and shows you the size and note so you never forget. We will take out the rest of them. Just got these crystal bowls stuck into one another because I did not package it correctly. I didn't put it back into its plastic casing. I just put it right into this black sheath, and then now it is literally stuck. So I'm going to show you how strong these crystal bowls are by me getting this crystal bowl out. This was a mistake. This is why they come with the plastic in it, so that you can easily slide the bowl out. Oh my god, this would happen to me during this video. But hey, I'm not going to not show you because it's quite funny. I accidentally shoved it in, so this was my bad. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, we are free. Whew! I feel like I just gave birth to this bowl. Okay, so how about I just take a moment and show you how that happened? That's funny. So the bowls come in this plastic wrap, but you can also change it into satin, so it's much prettier. But it comes in this plastic for a reason, as you just witnessed. So you put it into the plastic, and then this one that goes inside, we put it into the plastic first, and then we put it into the black casing, and then we stack them into one another. And when you are ready to pull it out, you grab the plastic All right, we're learning. Okay, so here are the crystal bowls. This is a G 9-inch, an E 11-inch, and a C 13-inch, one of my favorite notes. And here's how they sound together. These are one of my favorite combination of notes, a C, an E, and a G, because it creates a really hypnotic but uplifting sound bath. And people are able to feel and go dense into that hypnotic meditative state, but still it's still floating in that joyous and uplifting emotions, which is really beautiful for people to feel deep rest. And the C is super grounding, where that E is very uplifting, and the G and the C together are one of my favorite combinations. They just pair well together and really allow people to get into that meditative state quickly because they're very grounding notes. So that is this set. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. If you have any questions about sound healing that you would like me to answer, I would love to start talking more and sharing more about sound, as it is my deepest passion. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to share with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of this set, crystal bowls, and trainings are offered on my website, so look out for that, okay? Thank you.